Okay, so don't tell me what a mess my house is. I already know. But I've been working on this pretty hard to get it ready to fly tomorrow. So this is a Hangar 9 PT-19, what they call giant scale. It's 82-inch wingspan. It's got a Sato 150S 4-stroke in it, glow motor. Tomorrow it goes up. So stay tuned and like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to see me maiden this thing. It was built in 1999. So it's 26 years old-ish. I really hope I don't crash it. Thanks for watching.